All right. I'm like an intruder on this channel. Every once, every 2 months or something, I come on here. So this is my what do you call it?
Pre-workout? I know.
No, this is definitely not a pre-workout. This
After?
is just some health. This is morning health.
Okay.
Because what I noticed is my sister don't really like vegetables, and it's like she's repulsive to it. So I have to find a way to make it drinkable for her. So if she can, drink this, because she's like 11-year-old, kids, then you would love it. So we got bananas, frozen bananas, and then we have some frozen mangoes right here. These
So
ones are
sweet.
real sweet because they're actually from Jamaica. Julie mangoes, they call them. So this comes literally from Jamaica. As you can see, like you could just look at it and tell
so sweet.
It's really sweet.
You can't eat just like that.
Yeah,
we
just had some. But yes, and then we have the carrots
and spinach.
and then spinach. Spinach is my favorite vegetable. Is the best vegetable, no doubt. Spinach.
I like kale too.
No, spinach is better than kale. Spinach has everything kale has and more.
Really?
Yes, per pound, spinach is 100% the best vegetable in the world. And then carrots come after.
You say carrot good for your eyes now.
Yes.
All right, so he's shredding some carrots. So it's easier to blend.
This is mine over here. It doesn't have as much power, so I need this to blend out everything so it's a lot smoother.
Look at the color, it's so pretty.
Yeah, I like the carrots. And oh yes, sea moss. Sea moss. What is sea moss good for, Mom?
It's antioxidants, good to clean and build your immune system. Good for your eyes. It's a complete thing. It's good for your heart health, for your eyes, for your skin, for your nail, for your hair.
Yes.
It's good for digestion, antioxidant, superfood. It's a super. No, it's a sweet.
It's everything.
It's everything. It's good. It has antioxidants, so it's good for your immune system. It's superfood. It's even known for people who like have diabetes and cancer.
Yeah.
It helps. Just put some spoons.
And I'm pretty sure everyone who's ever been on this channel should at least know about
my sea moss. Exactly.
You want more?
That
should be good.
Two spoons.
Two little baby.
Well, it's more than baby because you fill them up.
Yeah.
It's like 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
All
And
right.
we're gonna throw everything else in here. So even though they're frozen,
You're gonna give a creamy blend when it's frozen.
the spinach.
Even the spinach frozen too.
This is called being smart, people.
Yeah, that's when I buy it on sale. And then I even have like 2 more packs downstairs. When I get it at Walmart, the big one on sale, I just buy it. Shredding the carrot, guys, just kind of give it make it easier to blend. Shredding the carrots.
Alright. We don't have much milk left.
Yeah, I have
I'ma
some more in the
pour all of
fridge.
it.
Pour that and I give you some more.
Let's see how much we have.
I don't want a little bit more.
It's almond milk, guys. I don't drink
It's
regular milk.
unsweetened. We are lactose, me and him. My daughter is okay. There's some in a jar there, Amir.
Right.
Yeah, over there.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh.
I get some away from you.
Because I drink all of it.
Yeah. All right, that's enough. Yeah.
Alright. Now we're gonna give this a nice blend.
I mean, you want to put a little bit of ginger?
No,
No,
because
because Sunny, I gonna have it. Okay.
honestly, if I was supposed to put ginger, I would make a separate blend. Because I don't like when you mix the ginger in with it. Because the ginger, no matter how much you blend it, is gonna have that little taste, that little grainy taste.
Oh, okay. You can use the ginger. I
Okay,
think it's really creamy.
people.
Wow, look how smooth it is. You see how you get to blend out the carrot?
Mhm.
Well.
See,
All
that's
right.
why I like this strong blender because it makes
Yeah.
everything smooth.
Yeah, yours, you need an upper version.
Mhm.
Why I
Alright.
don't like you to use my blender, you mash it up too much.
So we have it here, that smooth looking color.
Really?
You can make it thicker or
No,
smoother.
that's just sticking
But
up.
this
Look at
is
that.
this is what I like.
Or thinner, you must say. Alright, guys. I'm gonna taste it. Taste
I
it
probably should have made one before the video to show you the difference.
How is it? It's good. Want more sugar? That's just right.
No, there shouldn't be any more sugar in it.
Because the banana and the mango is sweet enough. Right?
Yes, it's good enough.
Alright.
Natural sugars, people.
Yeah.
This golden drink.
Alright. You'll come back tomorrow or another day, right? And make
Yes.
another. Okay.
All right. Much love.
Alright.
Peace out, and definitely try it.
Yeah.
If you want to put your kids on some stuff, or someone who doesn't like
you should
drink.
try Sunny. Go get Sunny, see
Do I
if you
get
will
it?
drink it.
Let me see if my
We're gonna see if Sunny gonna try some, guys, because it's very hard for her to have fruits and vegetable. But Amir is trying, like demanding her to have something, because she need to have like better digestion and bowel movement and all of that.
All right, people. I finally got the reason why I made the video. My sister is
so you
here.
drink some the other day.
I made one for her like the other day.
Did you drink some?
I forced her to drink the whole cup, but she actually drank it, so that's progress.
You
Now-
mean progress? You forced me to drink. That's not
Now
progress.
this time I'm hoping that you will just drink it.
Okay,
Drink a little bit,
Drink
please.
a little. Let me show the face. Wow, I mean, look at this.
That's it.
Hey, that's a miracle. I can't. A miracle, like my name.
You
but,
did it, Sonny. You did it.
But
That's
you actually-
amazing. Good
people.
job.
progression.
Yes.
This is
one
proof.
day at a time.
This is proof.
High five. You did it.
I'm gonna start calling this drink the process. Okay. Listen, this is the process. You need
did
to
well.
implement this
Good
in
job,
your
Sonny.
life
Good
or
job.
someone else's life that
How
you
it
care
tastes?
about.
It tastes good, eh? I think you
Yeah.
was just drinking it.
Yeah, she was drinking
Not
it.
for the camera, but Sonny,
Alright.
you see, you didn't
Aye,
vomit or
aye, aye.
anything. It tastes good.
I'm actually proud. I'm actually proud. I ain't gonna lie. All right.
All right,
All right,
bye,
people.
guys. Have a good day.
Bye.